Oh, hey. I was just sketching a picture of me and my dog. I'm guessing you're here so you can learn how to make my chocolate peanut butter eggs. It is Easter time. Let's head on up to the kitchen. We'll get started. Alright, now that we're in the kitchen, let's get started on these little fancy mamas, huh? Raise your hand if getting a nice Reese's egg in your Easter basket was one of your favorite treats as a kid. Or an adult, if you still get Easter baskets from the Easter Bunny, which I do. I don't know why you wouldn't. Everybody with your hands up, keep watching this video. Everybody that didn't raise your hand, you're excused. Okay, now let's continue. We're starting off here with our peanut butter, our powdered sugar, and a little bit of, I used Earth Balance. It's a butter alternative. You can use real butter if you like that. I just try to limit a little bit of dairy in my household. But we're going to mix all that together. The only thing we're going to do differently from a lot of other recipes out there is we're going to, basically we're going to reduce our sugar here with some water and corn syrup on the stove. That gives it a less grainy texture. A lot of people just use powdered sugar in their recipe. I feel like too much powdered sugar gives it a weird flavor, so if you can use some real sugar and just boil it with some corn syrup and water, that's going to give you a real nice sweet taste without the powdered sugar kind of overtones there. Continuing on to the chocolate, you're going to want to use two different types of chocolate in this recipe. I used dark chocolate, and then you'll see in a minute here for the drizzle on top, just to give it a nice little contrast, I used some milk chocolate. If you just want to use one chocolate, that's fine, but you know, it makes them a little bit more appealing to look at if you have a little bit of contrast and color there. You can use white chocolate, dark chocolate, semi-sweet, milk, doesn't matter. Go as fancy or as simple as you want with the drizzle. These are completely customizable. It's all up to you how crazy you want to get with these little lovelies. After refrigerating, pull these guys off the parchment paper, polish them up on the sides a little bit, and you've got a treat worthy of serving to the Easter Bunny himself. Hey, enjoy the recipe and click subscribe.